Hey everyone, ready to dive into some serious tech talk? Today it's all about AI and its impact on the telecom industry. We're talking about the companies that keep us connected and how AI is changing the game.
It's not just about faster internet anymore. AI is revolutionizing telecom right now.
Right, it's not some far-off thing.
Yeah, IBM surveyed 300 telecom leaders, and get this, most of them are already using AI.
No way. No way, that many.
It's true, and NVIDIA did a study too. They found that 90% of telecom companies are on board with AI. They're using it to improve customer service, make things more efficient, and gain a competitive edge. Over half of them believe AI is the key to staying ahead.
So basically the future is unfolding before our very eyes, and luckily for us, we have a list of the top 10 AI leaders in telecom put together by TowardsAGI. We get to unpack what makes these folks tick, what they're working on, and how they're changing the future of the industry.
Definitely. It's a fascinating mix of CEOs, researchers, entrepreneurs, you name it.
A real all-star lineup. So let's kick things off with the #1 spot, Elena Fersman. She's a VP at Ericsson. She leads their global AI accelerator, and she even heads up their Silicon Valley site. Oh, and did I mention she's an adjunct professor too? Is there anything this woman can't do?
It's incredible, right? She holds a PhD in computer science and an MBA.
Wow.
So she's got this incredible ability to bridge the gap between research and real-world application. I mean, she's not just thinking about AI, she's making it happen.
Exactly. She's not all talk.
Not at all.
Over 50 patent families to her name.
And, one area she's really focused on is using AI to optimize network performance.
Okay, so fewer dropped calls and faster downloads.
Exactly. That's the goal, making our lives easier and more connected.
Sign me up. Okay, so next on our list is Mahesh Ram. He's at #2. His big thing is streamlining operations, especially in customer service.
He founded Solvi, a conversational AI platform that was later acquired by Zoom.
Conversational AI? Okay, that sounds super futuristic. Break that down for me. What exactly is it?
Well, think about those chatbots you see on websites, right?
Yeah.
Conversational AI is like that, but way more advanced. It uses things like natural language processing and machine learning, so it actually understands what you're saying and then provides a response, like you're talking to a real person.
Oh, wow.
It's changing the game for customer service because you can have 24/7 support and quicker responses and even personalized assistance for every customer.
Okay, so Mahesh is bringing AI to the front lines, interacting with us correctly. So cool. And then at #3, we have Yu Wang. She's the chief expert at China Telecom.
She's a global leader in 5G, 6G, and AI, held leadership positions in the US and the UK.
Wow.
What's fascinating about her is that she's not just working on today's problems, she's thinking about the future. Like 5G and 6G are going to change everything.
The Internet of Things, self-driving cars, cities running on interconnected systems. It's a lot.
Exactly. It's going to require massive amounts of data processing, and Yu Quan is leading the charge in making these networks smarter, more efficient.
So faster internet, fewer buffering issues.
Exactly.
Sounds good to me. And then at #4, we have Shyam Prabhakar Mardikar. He's been deep in the Indian telecom industry for years. Held top positions at Airtel and Reliance Jio.
Yeah, he's got this great quote about telecom selling like fish, meaning you need specialized expertise to survive in such a competitive market. He gets the industry and the challenges of integrating new tech like AI.
Love that analogy. It's true, these companies are under immense pressure to stay ahead. And then there's Daniel Ramirez Cana at #5. He's leading AI and customer value management at Vodafone.
Over 20 years of experience in analytics and AI.
Wow.
Yeah, he's all about leveraging data to improve customer experience and boost business growth.
Customer value management? I'm not sure I fully understand that. What does that actually mean?
Sure, so it's about deeply understanding your customer, what they need, what they value, then using that info to personalize their experience. Like they get recommendations for stuff they actually want, or their problems get fixed quickly. Daniel's using AI to make all that happen.
So AI is helping to tailor the experience to each individual customer. That's pretty impressive.
It is, right.
AI is doing some amazing things in telecom.
Absolutely. And we've only scratched the surface. There's so much more to explore. Back again for more AI and telecom talk.
It's been pretty mind-blowing so far.
I know, right? These leaders are incredible.
So let's jump back into our list, shall we? At #6, we've got Sumit Khanna.
He's the Chief Technology Officer at Netcracker Technology. They develop software solutions for telecom operators.
Okay.
Sumit is all about using AI and cloud technologies to solve those really complex problems that telecom companies face.
Right.
And he's a hands-on kind of leader, really involved in building and deploying these solutions.
So not just the ideas, he's actually making them happen.
Exactly. He's focused on things like automating network operations, making them more efficient.
So imagine Network issues get detected and fixed before you even notice there's a problem.
That's the dream. No more frantic calls to customer service because your internet's down.
That would be amazing. No more troubleshooting for hours.
Exactly. All right, let's move on to number 7's, Christian Janssens.
Okay.
He founded MindTitan, a company specializing in machine learning, specifically in autonomous vehicles.
Yeah, self-driving cars. How does that connect with telecom?
Well, he actually worked at Milrem Robotics before, a company that develops autonomous military vehicles.
Oh, interesting.
And he's passionate about data science and sees a connection between self-driving cars and the future of telecom.
Okay, I'm listening.
Self-driving cars, they rely on a ton of data, right? From sensors, GPS, all that stuff. They need to communicate with each other, with traffic systems, with the cloud, to navigate safely. And those are challenges that the telecom industry is facing too, especially with 5G and 6G.
Oh, I see.
So Christian's expertise could provide some really valuable insights for managing these next generation networks.
Applying lessons from self-driving cars to improve our internet experience. That's pretty cool.
It is. All right, now for number 8, we have Kate Johnson. She's the CEO of Lumen Technology.
Ah, CEO.
She spent years at Fortune 100 companies leading digital transformations.
I love that, a CEO who's not afraid to disrupt things. What's her vision for Lumen? Where does AI fit in?
She sees Lumen as more than just a typical telecom company. She wants to disrupt the industry by offering a wider range of digital solutions: cloud computing, cybersecurity, edge computing.
Okay, hold on. Edge computing, what is that exactly?
Imagine, instead of all your data being processed in some far-off data center, some of it is handled closer to you, on a local server or even your own device.
Got it.
That's edge computing. Makes everything faster and more responsive. Think self-driving cars, real-time video streaming, and Kate sees AI as essential for managing those edge computing resources.
So edge computing is all about bringing the processing power closer to the user, and AI helps manage the data traffic.
Exactly. All right, move on to number 9, Andrew Pavliv.
Okay.
He founded NIX, built it up for a small startup into a global software powerhouse, focused on high-impact solutions across different industries.
Seems like a lot of these AI leaders have that entrepreneurial drive.
It's true. They see a problem and they find a solution. Andrew's a great example. He's always looking for ways to leverage AI to create value.
Right.
His company develops AI solutions for telecom operators. Things like network efficiency, personalized customer experiences, even automating tasks.
Amazing. Okay, last but not least, Abhishek Singh at number 10.
He's the SVP and head of data and AI at Bharti Airtel, one of the biggest telecom providers in India.
Wow.
He's leading a huge digital transformation at Bharti Airtel, using data and AI to streamline everything, improve customer service, and develop new products and services.
That sounds like a massive undertaking.
It is, but Abhishek is up to the challenge. He knows the industry is changing fast, and he's making sure Bharti Airtel stays ahead of the curve.
So we've seen a lot of examples of how AI is changing the game in telecom.
Yeah, and what's really cool is that AI has the potential to make technology more accessible for everyone.
Absolutely. Think about things like AI-powered translation tools, breaking down language barriers, or personalized education platforms that adapt to each student. It's about making our lives better and more connected. It's inspiring to see how these leaders are using their expertise and vision to create a better future. So we've got these different motivations: building, exploring, improving, and they all come together in AI and telecom.
It really highlights the power of AI. It's not just about tech for tech's sake. It's about making lives better, connecting people, building a brighter future.
And that brings up an important point. This isn't just about telecom companies or AI experts. This is about all of us. AI is going to touch every part of our lives in the years to come.
It's true, which is why it's so crucial to stay informed, stay engaged. The future of AI is being shaped right now, and we all have a role to play, making sure it's a future that benefits everyone.
So as we mess up this deep dive, I want to leave you with this thought. How do you see yourself fitting into this AI-powered world? What role will you play in shaping it, in making sure it's used responsibly?
Keep asking questions, stay curious, and don't be afraid to challenge those assumptions. The future's full of possibilities. It's up to all of us to make it a future we can be proud of.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. We hope you learned some cool stuff and gained a new appreciation for the amazing work happening in AI and telecom. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep connecting.